How to manage audio input and output devices in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control which devices your PC uses for sound and microphone. First, right-click on the speaker icon in the bottom right of your taskbar and select Sound Settings. From there, you'll see the Output section at the top of the page. After that, click the drop-down under Choose a device for speaking or music playback and select whichever output device you want sound to come through, like your headphones, speakers, or a connected monitor. At this point, if you want to set different output devices for different apps, scroll down and click on Volume Mixer, then assign a specific output device to each app individually from there. Following this, scroll back up and head to the Input section just below Output. From here, click the drop-down under Choose a device for speaking or recording and select your preferred microphone or audio input device. After that, click on your selected input device to open its properties, where you can test the microphone, adjust the input volume, and toggle on or off options like noise cancellation if your device supports it. From here, if a device isn't showing up in either list, scroll down and click More Sound Settings at the top right of the page. At this point, a separate audio control panel will open. Click the Playback or Recording tab, right-click on any empty space, and select Show Disabled Devices to reveal any hidden audio devices that aren't appearing in the main settings. Finally, right-click on any device in that panel and select Set as Default Device to make it your primary audio device across the whole system. That's how you manage audio input and output devices in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!